In the name of Allah Almighty, the Compassionate, the Merciful, Honorable President, worthy guests, dignified teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I have been given a chance of expressing my views on a very significant, a very momentous topic. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, the greatest leader of humanity. Worthy sirs, Muhammad, peace be upon him, is undoubtedly Allah's most exalted creature, His most beloved messenger, and the most shining guiding star for humanity. He is the greatest guiding star for all the people and all the times. During the short period of 23 years of his prophethood, he changed the entire Arabian Peninsula from paganism and idolatry to the worship of one God, from tribal quarrels and wars to national solidarity and cohesion, from drunkenness and wickedness to sobriety and piety, from lawlessness and anarchy to the disciplined living, from utter bankruptcy to the highest standards of moral excellence. Dear fellows, famous French poet and statesman Alphonse de Lamartine rightly said, philosopher, orator, apostle, legislator, conqueror of ideas, restorer of national dogmas, of a cult without images, the founder of 20 terrestrial empires and of one spiritual empire, that is Muhammad. As regards all standards by which human greatness may be measured, we may ask, is there any man greater than he? With the arrival of Holy Prophet, the clouds of infidelity got evaporated, and the message of peace, love, and equality became eternal. He brought about a social and spiritual revolution in the world, and hence changed the course of human history. Worthy sirs, the message he preached was universal, transgressing all obstacles. A message so complete and so comprehensive that it not only revolutionized the era in which it was proclaimed, but even today its timeless beauty has lost none of the original charm and continues its profound appeal to humanity. He changed the destiny of the world and saved the human race from a sure disaster. He was every inch a perfect man, so complete that even his enemies could not find the smallest fault in his glowing personality. Dignified teachers, he was beyond a doubt the most remarkable man that ever set foot on this earth. He preached a religion, founded a state, built a nation, laid down a moral code, initiated numerous social and political reforms, established a powerful and dynamic society. Great professor of Trinity at Oxford, Bosworth Smith once said, he was a Caesar and Pope in one, but he was a Pope without Pope pretensions, a Caesar without Lion of Caesar, without a standing army, without a bodyguard, without a palace, without a fixed revenue. If ever any man had the right to say that he ruled by a right divine, it was Muhammad, for which he had all the power without its instruments and without its sports. Dear audience, in the end, I would like to say that there is dire need to resort to splendid traditions and teachings of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in the contemporary world to make it respond to emerging challenges in a proactive manner. The entire life of Prophet, peace be upon him, is a beacon of light and worthy of emulation by men of every age. Even his worst enemies testify to these attributes of Prophet, peace be upon him. Public welfare, peace, security, mutual brotherhood, love, and tolerance are the salient traits of his blessed life. Let us pledge to act upon the sunnah of Prophet, peace be upon him, and prove to the world that the Muslims are torch bearers of peace in this world. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.